professional pilots from the RSAF.
Ladies and gentlemen, entering show center from your right is the RSAF aerial display team. Ready to be thoroughly entertained by this breathtaking aerial display, proudly presented to you by the Republic of Singapore Air Force.
The F-16C Falcon is piloted by Major Desmond II, callsign Twister. He's an officer commanding from 143 Squadron and is a qualified flying instructor. Piloting the F-15SG Eagle is Major Yip Chuan Sin, callsign Smash, and he's the chief flying instructor from 149 Squadron. His weapons systems officer is Captain Philip Tien, callsign Horns, and together they have more than 2,000 flying hours.
The F-16 Falcon has performed in many aerial displays, both locally and overseas, while this is the very first time the F-15 Eagle is performing in an airshow. Ladies and gentlemen, watch closely to your right as our pilots join up for a bold maneuver. Demonstrating precision skills, teamwork, and at the same time defying gravity, the Falcon will be inverted above the Eagle. Their fins barely meters apart from each other as they pass you.
The F-16 Falcon sets up for the next sequence. Be prepared for an entertaining and high-energy aerial demonstration. Your front and left. Let's witness Major 2 exhibit the Twister Loop.
Ladies and gentlemen, watch now to your right as the F-15 approaches and pierces the sky with this vertical spiral. Flying in from your left and exploiting the advantages of the F-16, Major 2 will illustrate the quick responses with this quadruple roll. The F-16 Falcon is one of the world's most sought-after multi-role fighters. Its fly-by-wire, bubble canopy and side-scoop control make it a unique fighter aircraft. Inbound from your left, Major Yip will show the F-15's lethal air-to-air fighting capability by executing the thrilling high G turn.
witness its 58,000 pounds of thrust as he goes full afterburner.
His F-16 will execute the razor-sharp, knife-edge pass. The F-16 is one of the world's top guns, capable of engaging its aggressors beyond visual range with its state-of-the-art missile system. This single-engine fighter has thrust-to-weight ratio greater than 1, providing more than enough power to climb and accelerate vertically faster than most of today's fighters. While supersonic speeds are critical in aerial combat, slow speed handling is just as important. From your left, let's witness Major 2 exhibit the graceful yet very challenging maneuver we call low and slow.
Ladies and gentlemen, don't blink those eyes. Get your cameras ready. Focus to your front and watch in awe. The F-15 Eagle is a cutting-edge twin-engine all-weather fighter aircraft designed to gain and maintain air superiority in an aerial combat. And now, let's watch the super-duper F-15 demonstrate its agility.
May dadaling sa kanan. C-17 yata eh.
Now, from your right, let's witness Major Yip demonstrate the agility of the Eagle once again.
RSAF pilots take part in many exercises across the globe. These wing warriors incorporate their attained tactical knowledge into their daily training to stay at the very peak of fitness and combat readiness. For their commitment 24/7, we salute these operational pilots.
Ladies and gentlemen, precision and pilot skills are what aerobatics flying is all about. Watch as the Falcon and the Eagle needle cross each other at more than 2,000 kilometers an hour. And here they go! Today's high-energy, high-octane RSAF aerial demonstration would not have been possible without the hard work of our Air Force engineers, always living by the principles of the RSAF's core values.
Making his entry into show center from your left, Major 2 will flaunt the responsiveness and precise control with this 4-point roll.
This aerial display, a synergy of teamwork and professionalism, exemplifies our pursuit of greater excellence. In the heart of our third-generation Air Force is its people. working seamlessly as a team to ensure operational readiness and mission success always.